Hey, what's up everybody? Woody LS3 here, coming at you with another vlog. Today we're actually going to be going to Freddy's truck giveaway event. We're actually going to be going to help him out. We're going to be going to his shop, and then we are going to be going to exclusive. Today I'm going to be taking my car. I went ahead and washed my car for the event. So we're actually going to be doing that today. Also guys, I just dropped my own brand. The name of the brand is called Who Gapped Ya. This is the first shirt for the brand. I wanted to go ahead and make a brand and just kind of for everybody that likes to enjoy driving their car or truck, likes to enjoy racing them, just enjoy their vehicle, period. I went ahead and designed this myself. I come from a graffiti background and definitely wanted to incorporate that in my shirt. My favorite colors are red and black, so I wanted to put those colors also. As I make more shirts, I am going to be making different colors. So be on the lookout for those. Drop a comment, let me know what y'all guys think, and if y'all want one, I don't have a website right now. Also let me know what y'all guys think on the design and what y'all feel about the brand. So let's go help Freddy out, let's go do this meet, and let's go see who wins this baby doodle. Alright guys, so we're here at Freddys Shop. Danny just got finished cleaning the new giveaway, and then here's the old giveaway. He just pretty much finished it, so he got those cleaned up for the show. We're about to go take these to exclusive. We got to go ahead and set them up over there, so I'm gonna be helping them take these trucks over there. I don't know which one I'm driving. I'll probably just check my car or something to bring them back. I don't know. So right now we're gonna be taking them over there, so let's go drop them off. Alright guys, so we're pulling into exclusive right now. Man, look at this paint shop. Alright guys, so we just are here in the paint shop trying to set up all the cars right now. Got the giveaway, about to go in the booth. So when the winner's announced, we're gonna pop the giveaway out. We got the other giveaway, trying to get him situated where Freddy wants him. This is Alex's truck, 454 SS, original. So let's help him set up.
Aquí estamos en Mill Avenue Auto World Exclusive Motorsport, esperando a toda la raza que llegue ya con sus trocas. Vénganse de volada porque se va a acabar la carne.
Alright guys, so we're hitching a ride with Alex because we didn't even think about how we're going to get back, right Daniel?
Single cab life?
Single cab life. I'm not there yet. I don't know what single cab life is like. But I will be. So we're going to go back to Freddys Shop. We're probably going to bring some more cars, right Daniel?
Hell yeah.
So right now we're on our way back. So we just dropped off all the cars. We'll see how when we get back. Alright guys, so we're here at Freddys Shop. We're going to try to get everything that we need to set up here. And then we're going to go head over to the show because it's about 3:15. The show starts at 4. So we're going to get ready and we're going to head that way. I'll probably go get my truck. So that's probably what I'll be doing. But what do you think, Daniel? Think it's going to be a good show?
Oh, hell yeah. Ya que se le estoy dando una chingada a mi gorra.
Yeah, he's even cleaning his hat. So we're gonna get ready and then we're gonna head that way to the show because it's about to start. Let's see who wins the baby dually.
Hell yeah. Or the 15K.
Oh, the 15K.
Look what it is, all coyotes there.
Alright guys, so Oscar just pulled up. We're just waiting on, what are we waiting on, Danny?
We're waiting on everybody. Bien cortadito. ¿Viste la coyote?
Well, Oscar pulled up.
Ahí anda. Ahorita que me llante.
Hey, guys, I rode with this guy yesterday. Everybody that pulled up to him, that gave him a look, he was trying to race. So this guy's, y'all gotta watch out for this guy. If you see that truck, don't even pull up next to him. That truck's fast too.
La marca del mazapán.
That's true. Huh? That's how we are. We like to cap on each other. We're always trying to laugh and stuff. So we're gonna head out. I'm waiting on my truck right now, so that way I can head out. All right. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. Man, Oscar's truck looks clean. He lowered it with a 5.3, and he put these 20s. They're American Racing, but they look like Cosmes. I mean, truck looks awesome. So I'll let y'all check it out before we head out. Alright guys, so I got my truck. We're about to head over to the event. Alright guys, well, we're here at Freddy's event. They're about to announce the winner. It's super loud out here, super packed.
Solamente un minuto falta for the official Project Tour truck or cash giveaway. First place takes the truck or $15,000 cash. Second place takes $1,000 cash. Third place takes $500.
And I just hope that whoever wins it is here today. Whoever wins is here today. Para que se la lleven la troca y ya se la troca el dinero. Hopefully you're here and we get to see it live. Que no sea from out of town. I hope it's somebody here, for real. I hope it's somebody here.
We'll let Scarface do the honors in picking the winner.
All you gotta do on the front.
You ready?
Are y'all ready, ladies and gentlemen?
Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. Who's ready to win?
It's ready, Scarface.
DJ Paul said, are you guys ready? Let's make some noise. Are you guys ready?
Whoever doesn't win is because it's Scarface's fault. So y'all better, y'all get him.
Don't blame me, don't blame me. I'm gonna pick the winner. The winner. What's going first, Freddy? What's going first?
The truck is going first. Second place, $1,000. Third place, $500. And then we're gonna do some giveaways for the people that showed up.
Truck is going first. Ready? You guys ready?
Are you ready, Scarface?
Let's do it, Freddy. Here we go.
Ahí está. Agustín Romero. Agustín Romero is the winner of the truck or $15,000 cash. We're gonna contact him in a few.
Agustín
And no, is nobody from here? Agustin is not here?
He's from Bandcamp.
Damn it, but let's take a picture of that. Alright, so now we're gonna do the second place for $1,000. Martin Martinez. Second place winner, Martin Martinez is the second place winner for $1,000. Let Alex from Exclusive Click for third place. Alright, $500. Damien Ortiz. Damien Ortiz for $500. Alright guys, so now what we're gonna do for the people that decided to show up, we're actually gonna throw a couple of hats. All right. Oh my God, he was flying. Ahí quedó, guys. Muchas gracias a todos que vinieron. All right. So we got the winner, guys. The winner is actually from. Where do you think the winner's from? It's from Texas. Where in Texas? Hey, where's the winner from?
Galveston, Texas.
Galveston, Texas. Galveston, Texas. All right, the winner is from Galveston, Texas. Agustin Romero. He picked up a shirt and 2 decals.
Damn.
That's all it takes to win a truck, guys. All right, guys. So here shortly, we're gonna call the winner. Hopefully, he answers and he comes and picks up the money or the truck. We're gonna ask him what he's gonna want, the money or the 15,000 cash. ¿Qué lo que? Hey, Cub. Hey, ¿qué onda, Cub? Habla Freddy.
What's up, Freddy?
Hey, güey, te ganaste la troca, no mames.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Yeah, I was watching it on the live. Oh, my God.
Hey, are you gonna want the truck or the 15,000 cash?
Ah, man. That's a tough one, bro. No te colías!
Hey, if you want the cash, I mean, it's all good. I'm not gonna get mad.
Western Union. Yeah, I know.
What do you want?
Yeah, hard times, bro. I gotta take the cash.
Damn! He's taking the cash! He's taking the $15,000 cash. That means I got a badass truck. Damn, man, boy. Guys, sick. Oh, okay, hold on. What'd you say?
I know how much you wanted that truck, so I think a win-win for both of us.
Okay, yeah. We're eventually gonna get into it. No, wait, bro. So,
So what was the verdict?
he wants the money. What? 15,000 cash.
You got a new truck for your stables.
Yeah. So, esa troca la vamos a llevar a los shows, guys, y la vamos a meter a burn up pin hasta que truene. If you guys know, we already given away the white truck too, the SS clone. That one we're gonna do the same thing. You can either win the truck or 15 cash. So, I mean, $15,000 cash is gonna change somebody's life right now. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So, that's it, guys. Thanks for coming. You guys are welcome to stay, shop around, enjoy the music. Ahí viene el Grupo SAS. So if you have your dancing shoes on, stick around and dance. And go check out my truck, cause I'm keeping it.
So there you go, guys. The winner picked the cash. I honestly didn't think anybody was gonna pick the cash, but we understand, you know, times are tough. But he got the cash. That means the truck is staying with Project Torque. So I'm sure Freddy's gonna do something awesome to that truck. But man, good luck to that guy that won, and it's a blessing.
That's why all my life I've been grinding all my life, all my life, been grinding all my life. En mi Lambo por la carretera, un chingo de morritas pa' hacer lo que sea.
Grupo
Well, guys, that was pretty much the meet. The guy didn't end up taking the truck. He ended up taking the cash. So that means the truck's gonna be staying at the shop. So you're gonna be seeing more about the shop. So you're gonna be seeing more of the truck at the shop. Freddy's gonna probably do some upgrades to it, maybe change the color. So make sure y'all like and subscribe the video like Freddy said. But everybody's tired. We're about to go watch the fight that they got. They set it up on a projector, so I hope y'all enjoyed the content. It was so busy, everybody was everywhere. But I'm sorry if I didn't get that much footage, but I hope y'all like what I got. like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.